How to send or replay disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on your device. Now tap on the message icon at the top right corner. Now simply open up your chat. Now simply swipe up. Now release the finger once the circle is full. Now release the finger. Now tap on the gallery icon. Now select the photos or videos to send and tap on send. Now to replay the photos or videos. Now simply open up a chat. Now tap on view photo or video. Now simply go back. Again simply tap on the photo to replay. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.